Hey guys, Man here again today, and today I'm going to do another video with the Novus plastic polishes. Now we've got a little 2010 Toyota Yaris here, and they're quite common to have very cloudy headlights. Now this headlight's not, that's not dirt, that's stuff that's on the surface of the headlight. So it's sandblasting, it's UV damage, it's stuff that's sort of penetrated into the plastics, it's kind of oxidized as well. And using the Novus 3-step polish, we're going to get that up so it looks like brand new again. So what we're going to do now is start with a number 3. I'm going to do it by hand with an old sock. And we're going to, before we start and do anything though, we're going to do the cleaner. So we're going to use the number 1 to clean it with first. So that there is the number 1 polish. Spray that down nicely. Now it's important to know if your headlights are really dirty, clean them first, maybe with enough soap in the water to lubricate, and make sure that you're not going to rub sand and grit into your headlight lens or into your paint. So here we are, so that's nice and clean there. All right, so now that's buffed up with the number 1. Now we've got a nice clean start. So next we're going to grab the number 3. So number 3 there. Always shake it really well first. And I've got myself an old sock I've been using for a while here, so we're not going to put a lot on there, just enough, right? Because it's not a big area that we're doing, so that would be plenty for what we're doing here. And circular motions. And I can already see a lot of that yellowness is coming off. I can see it brightening up right before my eyes as I'm doing this. And I am applying a bit of pressure. You can see the car moving around a little bit. There. And now what this is doing is acting almost like a cut polish for plastics. So it's just taking that top layer off, it's smoothing out the scratches, it's removing all of that oxidization and dirt that's into the plastic lens, and it's restoring that original finish that it had to start with. And be sure to get all the nooks and crannies and edges. There we are. So that's already a night and day difference just with the number 3 polish. Now, what I like to do next is I like to go over it with the number 2 polish and get it even smoother. And again, you don't need a lot of polish, you just use just as much as I've got on there right now. There we go. Now I'm going to buff it with an old t-shirt, a nice 100% cotton shirt that I've obviously been using for quite a while. It's got lots of polish in it already. In the background you can hear the eagles that are in my backyard in one of the trees. So if you're wondering what that sound is, it's those guys enjoying the beautiful day we're having here. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, and just to top it off, I'm going to hit it with the number 1 polish again here, just to give that extra bit of shine. I'm just going to use an old golf towel. And there you go. Hope your results turn out as good as mine. Definitely pick this stuff up. I'll put a link in the description and you'll be able to find the Novus 3-step plastic polish on Amazon. That's the easiest place to find it these days. And I highly recommend it. I've tried a lot of different products, and over the years, which has been about 25 years since I started using this product, I haven't found anything that works as well. And it's this easy and safe to use. So there you go, guys. Pick some of that up. You'll be happy you did.